In this lesson, we're going to take a look at three different pairs of lines, specifically parallel, perpendicular, intersecting. A lot of this should be familiar. I just want to review the naming of it, the identification, and how to write it. If I look at these two lines, in theory, they will never intersect. They're equal distance away. Every point is equal distance away across from the point corresponding to it in the other line. Railroad tracks are parallel because they never touch. These are parallel lines because they never touch. They never intersect. That's what the touching is called, is intersecting. So I have line AB, line CD. How do I show, or how do I write that they're parallel? That's a better way to say it. Well, I'm going to write line AB. Remember, 2 points on the line with a line picture drawn above it. Second line, CD, with a line picture above it. The symbol to show that they're parallel are two parallel line segments between them. This picture can now be written as this statement. Line AB is parallel to line CD. Perpendicular is next. Perpendicular are two lines that intersect, and in a very special case, they intersect at 90 degrees. The square in the corner indicates it's a 90-degree angle. A lot of times the 90 won't be written, it'll just be the square. So we'll call this line AB, line CD. These lines are perpendicular. They intersect at a 90-degree angle. Call it a plus sign, anything that crosses at a 90-degree angle. How do I show that they are intersecting if I write it out? Line AB, line CD. So I need a symbol to go in between there. The symbol for perpendicular is this. Line AB is perpendicular to line CD. This is perpendicular. We've covered parallel, we've covered perpendicular. The last kind is intersecting. Now intersecting isn't very fancy, it just do the lines cross, yes or no. There is no symbol like we had for parallel or we had for perpendicular. The question simply comes up, or identifying, do the lines cross, yes or no? Are these intersecting? Yes. Are perpendicular lines intersecting? Yes. They're special, they cross it at 90 versus just crossing. Are parallel lines intersecting? Do parallel lines intersect? No, they don't. Now, watch this. Are these lines intersecting? Some will say yes, some will say no. What you have to remember is what a line truly is. Why are there arrows at the end? Because they go on forever. So even though we can't physically draw a line forever, we put arrows on the end to symbolize it goes on forever. So even though this isn't drawn that they intersect, because by definition lines travel forever, we know that if given the time to be drawn out, we know that they would intersect. So even if they physically don't look like they're crossing, you must be able to project out, will they be crossing? So yes, these are intersecting lines.